What is going on, everybody? We got another one back in here today, coming in for a full color change wrap. It is a 13 Raptor. It's going to go in the Avery Dennison and the matte metallic anthracite gray. And we're going to do a bunch of the trim pieces in the 3M dead matte black. As you can tell behind me, this thing is absolutely disgusting. So we're going to have to clean this up before we can start disassembling and laying some of that wrap. Starting to get a little cold out now, so as you can see, we've got the Precision Wraps hoodie going on. Those are going to be online to be able to purchase on in our online store here very, very soon. So if you like the video, go on, like and subscribe. We definitely appreciate it. Alright guys, this is what we're saying when we say we disassemble everything. As you can see, the bed has been completely lifted up off of the frame. It is pushed back. That way we have plenty of room to be able to wrap back behind here so you do not see the existing color. Exact same way here on the back of the cab. Being that this is black, we don't have to go all the way back off. If it was red or white or something like that, we have to do it. This is another thing we're saying about disassemble. Make sure you take these things apart. You still have dirt up underneath this, even after washing this car 3 separate times. It's the exact same way with the belt moldings, exact same way with the mirrors and the fender vents. You cannot get back there and clean, your wrap will not adhere, and you'll have lifting later down the road, whether it's 6 months, a year, it doesn't even matter. You want a happy customer at all times. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna go ahead and get all these little detailed pieces cleaned up, and we're gonna go ahead and start laying some wrap. All right, we finally got the Raptor all finished up. We got Zach over here laying the ceramic coating, and somebody's falling in the background, so we'll have to check on that. We don't have insurance, so.
Damn, he was on a roll too. Yeah, he was going so good.